What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Dave here from Boosted Addictions. So we just dropped off the Mustang to the Ford dealer. I'll upload a video of the second engine making the same noise. Not worse. What's the chances of me getting two bad motors? I mean, you know, I was talking to a gentleman who is a Ford technician not too far from me the other night at a car meet, and he said that it is known that there is a bad batch of motors out there, whether it's pistons, a bad batch of pistons, or whatever. There's a bad batch out there. So apparently it's a known issue with this. Ford knows about it. I guess they really can't find out which motors they are, and you know, I don't know. So, but anyway, I bring it over. I just dropped it off. Service advisor, service manager, he came out and he listened to it. He said, "Wow," he said, that doesn't sound right, you know what I mean? And so he's like, leave it with me, I'm gonna put it on the lift. And he told me to I should contact Ford and open up a claim. And so I'm gonna really think about doing that. At least contact them and see what they say. Because, like, again, I mean, I had this car since March. A second motor, man. This is ridiculous. Really lost my faith in Ford. I'm totally done with them at this point. Unless they really make it right and I get a good motor, I just can't fathom that I would get two bad motors. Like, so anyway, that's where I'm at with that update. Second motor, no good. Yeah, it's crazy to say it, but just wanted to give you an update. I want to post a video of the motor, the noise. You guys tell me what you think about it. I know there's another gentleman out there. I just watched his video. I forget. I think it might be like Mustang Mike might be his YouTube handle. He's got the same tick as I got. That tick, Mike, if you watch this video, that is the same tick that I have. And Ford tore down my motor and found excessive piston, slab, and cylinder wall damage on the first engine. So you might want to take that into the dealer. Do not let them tell you that it's a normal noise. There's no way you spend $40,000 on a car, if not more, and it sounds like that. So anyway, like I said, just wanted to give an update on it. And you know, I have a lot of plans for the car, and they're on hold. They're just going to be on hold until I'm done with it, until it's right, until I can get a good platform to build on. Not until then can I build on it. So yeah, thanks for all the subscribers. The channel is starting to grow, it's starting to pick up. I'm really sorry for the horrible content as far as this motor problem. Who wants to hear? I'm not really complaining. I mean, I'm past all that point. It just sucks, and I want to document it because you know what? There's going to be other people that go through this thing, and it's not a fun situation. So stick to your guns. Don't let them tell you that it's normal and it's a normal characteristic. And stay tuned.